Dear, have something, please. Last 2 days you didn't have anything. If anything happens, then who will take off your son? Dear, please have this. Dear, if you're not speaking and eat anything means, will the dead one come back? What Vijay's owner said is right. This is not our traditional job, dear. When Master's papa died, he took over this job. Now, who's gonna take care? Really, I don't know what to say. Really sorry.
Your son? Where is your son?
That is what we are talking about. He is in sanitarium, sir. Shall I get a coffee for you, sir?
No, thanks. I came here to talk to you. He should not discontinue his studies. He's really an intelligent boy.
Please help me to make my son study.
Why not? Let him continue his studies till he wishes to study. I am ready to help him for any extent. His father's ambition should be fulfilled.
Because for him, I'll do my traditional job, sir.
No, please don't get him. Sit down. Okay, I'm leaving.
Take it. You drink this. Please. Have it.
No, sister, just leave it.
It's okay. Today onwards, I'll do my work.
Why are you here?
Everyone else went on a tour from school.
Alright, you didn't go for the tour.
I'm not interested in all this, sir. Sir? Sir, why do you trying to avoid me?
Not at all.
No, you are trying to avoid me intentionally.
That's your feeling.
Sir, I want to tell you something, please.
Okay, tell me whatever it is.
That is... Sir, I like you very much.
Hey, what are you talking?
It's very true, sir. For me, father, mother, brother, and friend, everything, you only, sir. It is quite long since I wanted to tell you I was in love with you. I got an opportunity only today.
But what do you know about me?
I have been seeing you since my childhood, sir.
Before your childhood, I had a past life. I was not the same person that you're seeing now.
But I love the new sir and not the old one. I like you very much, sir.
I too had a family. It was just in a moment. They all left me and went. My future life, I will live alone like this.
Then, you decided to live alone? I know everything, sir, about you. Sir, you like the mistress more than me, isn't it?
Hello? Who's that standing there? Who are you? Why are you standing here?
Are you Kalpana?
Yes.
I'm your friend Meena's husband, Shiva.
Oh, is it so? Where is Meena?
We thought of coming together only, but then it started raining so heavily, so I came here directly from office. Meena will also be here any moment.
I'm really sorry. I thought you're someone else. It's okay. Come inside.
It's okay, madam. I'll wait here till she comes.
If I make you wait here, she'll fight with me. Come inside, please. Please take your seat. Once again, I'll make a call to Meena. Please sit. Number not reachable.
It's raining heavily, so maybe the signal problem.
Wait for a second. Oh God, current cut. Please wait. I'll bring candle and come. Why you came here? What you?
Amarnath, as you've told me, Kalpana's story has been finished. That's a good news. I'm very happy to hear that. I'll be meeting you tomorrow. All the other details will be spoken then. Okay.
Kalpana? Oh my god! Oh my god, Kalpana! Kalpana! Oh my god, Kalpana! Kalpana! Oh my god! Oh my god, Kalpana! What happened, Kalpana? Oh my god, Kalpana! Kalpana! Oh my god, what happened? Meena, your husband Shiva stabbed me. He is the one. Oh my god. Tell me what happened. Come on. Tell me what happened, Kalpana. Tell me. Shiva stabbed you're big Shiva.
Hey, come on, fast. Complete the work. Yeah, the same place. Put some mud under that coconut tree. Yeah, the same place. Yeah. Did you listen, buddy? Now anybody can enter the master's house talking about his son's studies. I'm sure people will take advantage of this. Teaching the son as well as his mother. Lucky people having a nice time.
Were you there in this bus? I did not see you.
I didn't see you too.
Where did you go?
I went to the PSC office.
Oh,
Everyone got their hall ticket. I don't know. I didn't get mine. Sir told me to inquire about it in the office. They said they already sent it. Maybe the postal employees are delaying it.
better tomorrow you inquire in the post office, okay?
Sister, what about your training?
Oh, there are 2 more weeks to left.
Ah.
Oh.
Oh, sir. Please take your seat.
Shall I ask you something?
What is that, sir?
For the rest of my life, I have started feeling that I should have a companion for me.
You should have, sir. You need someone to help you, sir.
I'm the only one to help my mother. If I get a job, I'll leave this place. I'll surely take mother along with me.
Be cool. God will show you a path, don't worry.
Sister told me you got a marriage proposal. Is it true?
Shit, all those is not necessary.
Cha, this is what you're thinking about me, sir? Never I thought about you like this. Everyone are liking me by expecting something from me, no?
I don't expect anything from others at all. I should not be the reason for other people's sorrow.
Enough, sir. Enough. Don't know what the people thinking in their minds.
My dear wife, have you made that chutney which I really liked, my favorite one?
Not one chutney. I have made 5 of them. Coconut chutney, coriander chutney, tomato chutney, onion chutney and red chilli.
But you must have not put any salt, right?
Though you have BP, why are you going on eating salt like this?
Why is Meena calling at this time?
Meena?
Hello? Meena, why are you crying? Give the phone to Shiva now. What happened, dear? Where is Shiva?
What happened?
Uncle, Shiva has murdered my friend Kalpana.
What? He's killed her? What are you saying, Meena? How did he do that, my dear?
Actually,
Tell me.
me and Kalpana are friends.
Don't worry about anything. You just be courageous, okay? We'll come there as soon as possible, okay? Okay, dear. Don't worry, nothing would have happened.
I can't understand anything. What will we do?
Don't cry now.
Excuse me. Hello? Were you the one who called us?
Yes, sir.
Who are you? How did this murder happen?
My name is Meena. This is Kalpana, my college friend.
Were you here when she was murdered?
No, sir. I live out of the city. My husband and I were supposed to come here today.
Don't cry. Be bold. Tell us what happened. Tell us.
Before I could start from my place, my husband came here and murdered my friend Kalpana.
How can you say that your husband killed her?
Actually, 5 minutes before, Kalpana died. She wrote this letter. Sir, not only that, when I was about to enter, she was fighting for her life. And also, she told me that only my husband had murdered her. Only then she passed away.
Do you know where your husband is right now?
I don't know, sir. Today morning only he left home. Until now I haven't seen him. His phone switched off.
Where is he working?
He's working in an IT company.
Where is Kalpana's husband?
Her husband is working in Delhi as a manager. That's what Kalpana told me.
Constable,
Sir.
take a written statement from her.
Yes, sir.
Inform Kalpana's husband too.
Okay, sir.
203. Is the ambulance ready? Slowly.
Kalpana.
Cover the body.
Kalpana.
Please don't disturb her now.
How are you sure that your husband's only killed her?
Before dying, Kalpana told me this. Only then did she pass away.
Is dead Kalpana is related to your husband in any ways?
I don't know.
Where is your husband right now?
I don't know that.
Sir, can I ask you a question?
Once again, I'm telling you, we are inquiring. We'll tell you whatever happens. Please don't disturb us now. Let's go.
Hey, these are Sir's clothes.
What happened?
Now anybody can enter the master's house talking about his son's studies. I am sure people will take advantage of this, teaching the son as well as his mother.
This is what you're thinking about me, sir? Never I thought about you like this.
Sir, you like the mistress more than me, isn't it?
Sir? Sir?
Where is sir?
Yeah, he's taken to the theatre.
Sister.
How is sir?
Head injury. Surgery is over. He'll be shifted to the ICU soon.
Don't worry, dear. Pray God, everything will be all right.
Vaishnav,
Yeah, tell me.
our sir.
An injury due to the accident. There was an internal bleeding, but nothing to worry. He's got back his life, but he's gone into coma. We'll have to wait for some more time to get back our old sir.
Then, sir, treatment will prolong?
As of now, no one's quite here. Once he's shifted to the ward, somebody has to accompany him.
What about some of us?
You should get permission from the school principal.
Yeah, I think it's our duty to look after our master. Okay, you can come. I'll show you the pharmacy. Come.
Mother, I'm leaving.
Look, dear, write your exams well. Pray your father well. Even though he is not there, he will be with you always. He always wished you to get the government job. You have to surely achieve that, dear.
Okay, Mother, bless me.
God bless you, my son.
Sir is in the hospital since 2 weeks. I have to get his blessings before I leave.
Bring it fast.
Sharmili, breakfast is ready. Come and eat.
I'm coming, Mom.
Come and sit. Have some more chutney. Eat, dear.
Enough, Auntie.
You said you don't like hostel food. Eat properly now. Eat. Tomorrow morning we are all going to the temple. You should also come.
Oh, I have a science test tomorrow.
Oh no.
You go ahead, Auntie.
I see.
Eat. Hey.
Sharmili, your mother has brought a gift for you. Did she ever tell you that?
Really, Daddy? Please, Mom. Tell me,
I
Mom.
won't tell you. Suspense.
In our city, a girl Kalpana has been murdered brutally by someone's husband. The murderer of the deceased Kalpana is none other than Kalpana's friend's husband, Shiva, who works in a software company. Shiva is being searched by the police citywide. Before dying, Kalpana told me this. Only then did she die.
Do Kalpana related to your husband in any ways?
I don't know. I really don't know. Mom, I'll go see her, Mom.
Hey, just keep quiet. Don't get into some trouble unnecessarily. Later on, the police will come in search of you. Tomorrow early morning, we should go to the temple, okay?
What a bloody hangover in the morning. This is unbearable, my God.
Look who's talking. This is the routine dialogue of all witches.
Shiva, did not you go home? Did you sleep here? Shiva, you have woke up on my face. See how lucky the day is going to be for you today, huh?
Shut up. I don't know how Meena is going to treat me now. I'll leave.
Before dying, Kalpana told me this. Only then did she pass away.
Is dead Kalpana is related to your husband in any ways?
I don't know. I don't know that.
Hey! She's saying I'm the murderer. Meena is saying that to the press. I don't understand anything.
Hey, you were staying with me in the room and sleeping here. How could have you killed someone?
Hey, don't play.
Hey, Just for a joke, I told you you looked at my face in the morning and it's going to be very good. Now your life is in danger, man. Who is going to believe if I say that you stayed with me the whole night, huh? Shiva, before the truth comes out, you should never be caught by the police.
Where's my mobile phone? I have to talk to Meena now.
Hey, stop it. This is all foolishness. She's announcing that you are a murderer, like she was a witness, and you want to step out and get caught by the police? Are you an idiot? Don't you understand the reality?
What do you want me to do now?
Immediately police is going to come here. You must escape before they come here.
Okay, where to go?
Oh my god, in the hangover, I don't know where I left my phone last night. Which idiot switched off my cell phone, huh? Hello, is it Tara?
Yes, tell me, where is Shiva?
He is with me here. His situation is very bad. You must help him.
You cannot stay here. I'll guide you with some other place.
All right. Yes.
I'll come there. You bring Shiva, okay?
I'll take him there immediately. Okay. Hey, let's leave.
To where?
There are no time for questions now. Leave. Hey, don't go that way. Police are waiting there. Come with me. I'll tell you.
Sister, how's Sir feeling now?
Don't you see this? This is his condition. Is there PSC exam today?
I came to take Sir's blessings.
Come. We will get our sir back. You be calm. Go and write the exam, please. You take this. Don't waste time, please. Go.
Did you go to the hospital yesterday to see the sir?
No improvement at all. The same status.
Now this is almost 2 weeks,
Yeah,
right?
yeah. Doctors say that this condition will continue.
Have it.
There are some people who die after lying like this for years together.
So
what
sad.
to do?
How
Fate.
healthy and smart he was.
Life is all about this. The air we breathe and the body that purifies.
Oh.
Sister? Sister? Sister?
Good morning.
Doctor, sir's hand moved. I can't believe that.
Oh, really? Then our attempts are successful. Now we should not make him lie down always. You can take him outside sometime. I am sure he will improve. Okay.
Tara?
What, Murugesh? What
There
happened?
is no time for explanations. I watched the news on TV. I felt pressure under my stomach. Now, where is the bathroom? Tell me.
It's that side.
Okay, I'll come back. Please be ready with coffee.
Yeah, okay, fine.
My God, great relief. I saw the news on TV. It was the shock of my life. Look at my friend's face. Will he kill somebody? I thought his time was bad. Now I am very unlucky. All because of drinking that imported whiskey.
I definitely know you're not the one who did this murder. What happened?
I don't know who is that Kalpana. I saw her face only today morning, that too in the news. Meena wanted to go to Kalpana's house for dinner. I don't know anything more than that.
Anyhow, Shiva has become a murderer. Till we find the real murderer, we have to safeguard him and save him from the blame.
How it is possible? Meena herself says that he's the murderer. That's what I don't understand.
Look, you don't understand. I have understood. Either Kalpana is a bad girl or her husband should have killed her for the properties and wealth and should have left some evidence to blame Shiva. Give me just 2 days' time. I will find the murderer.
Who? You?
Why? I am capable of finding this. I am also not 88.
Shiva, in this situation, you cannot go out anywhere.
Tara, we cannot be here for a long time. Police will suspect us. If we move around with people, they will not suspect us at all. We have to leave fast. Hello, Shiva. Be very careful.
Shiva,
Huh?
be careful, please.
Good evening, doctor.
Tell me, sir.
I'm Kalpana's uncle, Amarnath. I had called you 5 minutes back.
Her husband hasn't come?
He's gone to America. He'll be back only after 15
Will you
days.
receive the body?
Okay, I'll do that.
Bhaskar, take his signature.
Where is the body, sir?
It's in the dicky. Guys, don't delay. Just do it fast. Come on. Take the shovel and put it inside.
Sir, please settle him.
Here, James, the money that you asked for. How much is it? 2 lakhs. You asked me to finish the work, and I have finished it properly. I opened his laptop and checked. Now I know all his secrets. This money will not be enough. I need 50 lakh rupees. What do you say? 50 lakhs?
Hey James, are you playing?
I'm not playing Chandru. The one who played is Amarnath's son. Here, keep your money. Let's not talk anymore. If you give me the money I asked for, the evidence will reach your house. If not, I know how to get the money from you.
I take care of him. You don't worry, sir.
Hey, you.
Huh?
Why are you coming this way?
I was only taking a shortcut, Grandma.
Uh-huh.
Well, I had an exam today. The bus dropped me over here, you know.
Have any news about Master?
I went and saw him before my exams.
Oh, who's there to help him? Please have it, my son.
Sharanya, sister's looking after him. She looks after him well.
She will get blessing from all the gods.
Hmm.
Hey, listen. Next time when you go, I will also come with you. I too want to meet him actually.
Sir? Sir? Shall we go out and get some fresh air? Let us go, sir. Come. How much more time it will take to see him walking?
Well, how can I say that? Why are you in a hurry?
Eh?
Until Master's alright, I'll come for any help. We can just have some chat and walk. Okay, it's time for my rounds.
Oh yes, you can go now, doctor.
No, please don't call me a doctor.
Get up, sir.
Hey, slowly. Relax. You move. Slowly, Master, slowly. Relax. Okay, careful. Slowly.
enough for the day. We can come out again tomorrow. Sir, it is time for the medicines.
I'll meet my other patients and come.
Okay.
Mm. 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 He's okay now. He can be discharged now. He should be taken care like this at home. What do you say?
I was about to ask you, uncle. Can we go today itself?
Take that file.
Yeah.
The medicine details.
Sure.
Yes, sir. This is for when the pain increases.
Oh.
This one is if he feels he's got a breathing problem. For lack of sleep, you can give this. But be careful, he should not have more.
Okay.
All right. Buddy, handle these medicines with utmost care.
What is it, sir? That is all. I will fulfill all your wishes, okay? I'll go and come fast. Be a good boy and lie down here.
What happened, sir? You're looking very dull.
What to do, Chandru? The love that I gave my son is actually backfired on me now. Because of the mistakes that my son did, I had to kill that girl also.
You just leave that matter, sir. Why are you getting tensed? He doesn't know about you, sir. You please listen to me. I will take care of James.
You told me that James is your friend, but now he's asking me for 50 lakhs. He doesn't seem to be a good guy.
Even we are also not very good now, sir. He doesn't have any relatives. He just bothered about money only.
He doesn't know who I am. I can be really bad.
Sir, please leave all that things. Please tell me what I have to do. I will do that. Or else if you want me to kill him, I will do that also.
Next to that Kalpana, let's make one more grave for him.
Sir, Mr. Bhajanlal. Are you Mr. Bhajanlal?
Yes, sir.
Software engineer Shiva was your tenant, correct?
Yes, sir. Correct, sir.
Do you know where he is now?
No, sir. I don't know, sir. He went from here after he got married itself, sir. Then in between he used to come, sir. But nowadays I don't know where he is. But to my knowledge, I don't think that boy would have done anything like this, sir.
There was someone called Murugesan as his roommate. Where is he now?
I don't know about him also, sir.
Is anybody else staying here?
No, sir. After that I have not given my house. Only we three are staying here now.
Sir, in this case, Shiva is absconding. If you know any details about him, immediately inform our station.
Surely I'll do it, sir.
Okay.
Sir, coffee.
No, thank you.
Thank you, sir. Yes, my friend Chandru. Have you brought the money?
James, what you did with Ambernath sir is very wrong.
What is wrong, man? This is my business. His son has done big mistakes. That's why I asked for 50 lakhs. Listen, Chandru. The friendship between us is different and business is different. Give me the money.
Hey, give me the evidence.
Give me the money. Evidence will reach automatically.
Give me the money.
Mother, even though the battery is new, it's not working.
Look at that properly, dear. See, what is that?
Mother, I got the advice. Do you know what that means?
I don't know what is that.
I've become a government employee.
My son is really great.
All thanks to Sir, Mother. I have to meet Sir today. I have a suggestion. Hereafter, we should take care of Sir. What do you say, Mother? How's Sir doing now?
Today, sir will be discharged. Before that, he want to see you and your mother. He is waiting for that.
Sister, we were coming to see him over there. Look, I've received the advice.
So you are safe now.
Look, dear, where will Sir go after he comes from hospital?
In sir's house, I will be there always with him. Auntie, I will come back from the convent. We will go together to the hospital. I have it.
Saranya, when you will be back?
Can't leave him alone in this condition. I'm not going anywhere. You come there often. Okay.
She takes good care of sir. Shameless.
Come. When it is for his medicines, he like that. Sir? Not for having medicines. Just see who are all to see to meet you. Sir? Sir?
Sir?
Is it heavily pain?
Yes, sir.
spirit, come out! I am calling you. Come out! Come out to destroy the evil spirits. Come on from the grave. Oh, breathe. Wake up! Oh, breathe, breathe. Oh, breathe, breathe. Oh. Come on! Kalpana, come on! Come out from the grave! Kalpana spirit, come out! Come out from the grave! Oh! Breathe! Breathe! Go! Go! Go, Kalpana, go!